You know that feeling when you wake up and you're already tired? Not like, stayed up too late tired. I'm talking about that deep down exhaustion that coffee doesn't fix. Where you're going through the motions but you're not really there. Here's the thing nobody tells you about hitting 40. You don't just wake up one day feeling old. You've been making tiny withdrawals from your energy account for years. And now the bills come due. I'm talking about energy debt. And most of us don't even know we're in it. Look, I get it. You're crushing it at work. You're showing up for your family. You're trying to stay in shape, or at least not completely let yourself go. But somewhere along the way, something shifted, right? You used to bounce back. Late night? No problem. Stressful week? You'd hit the gym and reset. Now? Now it feels like you're constantly playing catch-up with your own body. And the worst part? Everyone around you acts like this is just normal. Oh, you're just getting older. That's what happens after 40. Like you're supposed to accept feeling like crap as the new baseline. Bull. What's actually happening is you've been accumulating energy debt without realizing it. Think of it like a credit card you didn't know you were maxing out. Every skipped meal, every night of terrible sleep, every month you push through stress without dealing with it. It all compounds. And here's what makes it dangerous. It creeps up so slowly that you don't notice. You just adapt. You drink more coffee. You tell yourself you'll rest on the weekend. You convince yourself this is just what life looks like now. But it doesn't have to be. Today I'm going to show you exactly how this energy debt builds up, why it hits men over 40 harder, and most importantly, how to pay it back and start living with actual energy again. Not fake, caffeine-propped-up energy. Real energy. So what is energy debt exactly? Stay up scrolling because it's your only alone time. Each one? A small withdrawal from your energy account. Sleep debt alone is brutal. You need 7 to 9 hours. Getting 6? That's 1 hour short. Over a week, that's 7 hours deficit. Over a month? Almost 30 hours. You're pulling an all-nighter every month without realizing it. Add in stress. Chronic stress keeps cortisol elevated. High cortisol wrecks sleep quality, kills testosterone, makes you store belly fat, and tanks your immune system. And nutrition? Most guys over 40 eat the same way they did at 25. But your body doesn't process food the same anymore. You need more protein to maintain muscle. Specific nutrients to support hormones. Better fuel. Instead, you're grabbing whatever's convenient and wondering why you feel like garbage by 2 p.m. This is energy debt. And you've adapted so completely, you think this is just what 40-something feels like. It's not. The compound effect. Energy debt charges interest. Brain fog. Walking into rooms and forgetting why. Can't remember names. Struggling to focus on tasks that used to be automatic. That's not age. That's your brain running on fumes. When you're in energy debt, your brain suffers first. It uses 20% of your body's energy. You don't connect the fog to running on 6 hours of sleep and stress eating for months. Then there's irritability. Snapping at your kids. Getting frustrated over small things. Not personality flaws. Your nervous system in survival mode. When you're chronically depleted, your body shifts into fight or flight. Everything feels like a threat. You become reactive instead of responsive. And relationships suffer. You're physically there but emotionally absent because you don't have energy to show up fully. The physical stuff hits too. More aches. Back hurts. Knees bother you. Pull a muscle doing something you've done 100 times. This is your body struggling to repair itself because it doesn't have resources. Here's the compound effect. When you're tired, you make worse decisions. Skip the gym because you're exhausted. Lose muscle, gain fat. Which makes you more tired? Which makes you skip the gym more? Eat junk because you don't have energy to cook. Spikes blood sugar, crashes you harder. Makes you crave more junk. Doom scroll at night because your brain is fried. Ruins your sleep. Makes tomorrow harder. Energy debt creates a downward spiral. The debt itself makes it harder to pay off. And men are especially bad at recognizing this because we're conditioned to push through. Man up. Tough it out. But you're running on empty and calling it discipline. Why it hits harder after 40? Biology doesn't care about your excuses. Starting around 30, ramping up at 40, testosterone drops 1% per year. That affects energy, muscle mass, fat distribution, mood, mental clarity, and recovery. Lower testosterone means you need more sleep to recover. Gain fat easier, lose muscle faster. Feel less motivated. Mood less stable. Then there's cortisol. Your stress hormone. Supposed to work in a rhythm. High in morning, low at night. But chronic stress flattens this curve. You wake up tired because cortisol didn't rise properly. Can't sleep at night because it didn't drop enough. You're living in low-grade emergency mode. And cortisol crushes testosterone. You're getting hit from both sides. Your metabolism slows. You lose muscle mass unless you actively maintain it. Less muscle means slower metabolism means easier weight gain means less energy. Your body becomes less efficient at absorbing nutrients. You need more magnesium, vitamin D, zinc, B vitamins. But you're not getting them. Sleep architecture changes. Less deep sleep, less REM sleep. Even 8 hours in bed might only give you the restorative equivalent of 6. All while life demands more from you than ever. Career peak. Family responsibilities. Aging parents. Financial pressures. You're running a marathon while your fuel tank shrinks. The real culprits. 1. Sleep disruption. Number 1. Not even close. You're not getting enough sleep, or the quality is trash. Phone before bed, blue light jacking cortisol. Eating late. Caffeine from 3 p.m. coffee. Bedroom too warm. Mind won't shut off. Each fragments your sleep. 7 hours in bed, 5 hours actual restorative sleep. 2. Chronic stress without recovery. Work stress. Financial stress. Relationship stress. Information overload. Your body handles acute stress. Fight or flight, then recover. But chronic stress? Slow drip of cortisol that never stops. Your nervous system never downshifts. Most guys have zero stress management protocol. 3. Terrible eating patterns. Skipping breakfast. 10-minute desk lunch. Dinner too late. Processed snacks. Your body needs consistent, quality fuel. But you're running on coffee and quick carbs, wondering why you crash every afternoon. 4. No movement. Sitting all day. Desk job. Couch at night. Maybe gym twice a week thinking that covers it. Your body needs consistent movement. Not just intense exercise. Regular movement throughout the day. 5. The constant grind. No downtime. No hobbies. No play. just work and obligations. Your nervous system needs real rest. Active recovery. Things that bring joy and shut off the productivity treadmill. But most guys feel guilty taking time for themselves. The recovery protocol. This is not a quick fix. You didn't accumulate this overnight. You won't pay it back overnight. But you can start making deposits today. 1. Sleep. Non-negotiable. Set consistent bedtime and wake time. Even weekends. Your circadian rhythm needs consistency. No screens 1 hour before bed. Blue light suppresses melatonin. Make your bedroom cold. 65 to 68 degrees. Black out your room. Any light disrupts sleep. No caffeine after noon. Half-life is 5 to 6 hours. Brain dump before bed if your mind races. Write everything down. This alone will change your life. But you have to be consistent. 2. Stress management. You need an actual protocol. Every day, do something that down-regulates your nervous system. 10 to 15 minutes. Box breathing. For seconds in, hold 4, out 4, hold 4. 5 minutes drops cortisol significantly. Or walk. No phone, no podcast. Just walk. Or meditation. 5 minutes. Just sit and breathe. Daily. Non-negotiable. 3. Nutrition. Time to eat like an adult. Protein at every meal. 0.8 to 1 gram per pound of body weight daily. Supports muscle, satiety, metabolism. Eat real food. If ingredients are unpronounceable, it's not food. Time meals consistently. Your body likes rhythm. Hydrate properly. Half your body weight in ounces minimum. No food within 3 hours of bedtime. Consider these nutrients most men over 40 need. Magnesium glycinate, 400 mg before bed. Vitamin D, 4,000 IU daily. Zinc, 30 mg with food. Omega-3s. Get a blood panel. Don't guess. For dot movement. Most guys get this wrong. Don't crush yourself 6 days a week. Move consistently, recover properly. Aim for 2 to 3 stretch sessions weekly, compound movements. Daily walking, 10,000 steps minimum. 2 days active recovery, yoga, stretching. Strength maintains muscle mass and testosterone. Walking manages stress. Recovery prevents burnout and injury. Quality over quantity. Recovery is part of training. 5. Create white space. Time just for you. Not productive. Not optimized. Time to be. Hobby. Sitting and doing nothing. Time with friends with no agenda. Your nervous system needs this. Here's the framework. Start with one thing. Don't overhaul everything at once. Pick one. Master it. Add the next. Sleep is probably highest ROI. Fix that first. Everything else gets easier. What recovery looks like. You won't wake up feeling 25 again. Goal is to feel like yourself. Present. Engaged. Alive. Better mornings. You wake up actually awake. Brain turns on faster. Don't need 30 minutes and 2 coffees to function. Decision-making gets easier. Mental energy to make better choices. Cook instead of order. Gym instead of couch. Read instead of scroll. Mood stabilizes. Less irritable. More patient. Your family notices first. Physical recovery improves. Less sore. Old injuries bother you less. Work out harder because you're actually recovering. You get your presence back. That checked out feeling? Gone. You're in the moment because you have energy to be. Give it 6 to 8 weeks of consistency. Every guy who commits to paying down energy debt says the same thing. I didn't realize how bad I felt until I started feeling good again. You've normalized functioning at 60%. When you hit 90%, it's like remembering what you forgot was possible. You're not supposed to feel like shit at 40. Or 50. Or beyond. Tired all the time. Checked out, irritable, watching your body fall apart? That's not aging. That's energy debt. And you can pay it back. You're not stuck. But you have to make different choices. Prioritize sleep. Manage stress. Eat real food. Move your body. These aren't luxuries. They're requirements. You've got responsibilities. People depending on you. Work that matters. I'm not saying drop everything. I'm saying you can't serve from an empty vessel. You can't take care of anyone else running on fumes. The best thing you can do for your family, your career, your life? Take care of yourself. Sustainably. Start today. Pick one thing. Sleep protocol. Stress management. Better nutrition. Consistent movement. Do that one thing for 2 weeks. Master it. Add the next. 6 months from now, you'll barely recognize the guy in the mirror. Not because you'll look radically different. Because you'll be present. Engaged. Alive. And that's worth fighting for. Hit subscribe. I make videos like this every week about real health for men over 40. No BS. Just practical strategies that work. Drop a comment. What's your biggest energy drain? What's one thing you're changing after watching this? Thanks for watching. Now go pay down that debt.